Hi, this is Brent with Kansas Hydrographics. We're back with Pattern of the Week. This is a gray and black, or black and gray digital camo print. LC077BKH. It is a 50 centimeter wide print. Takes about 90 degrees. Didn't do a white speed shape. Like to keep it either white or black so you guys can really see the way the films act on the different base colors. You could put green behind this if you chose, or any tans or anything of that nature, but this way you can see at least what it looks like on white. Got a little string on there. If you get a little bit of stuff here, those little lines, those wash off, and that's just excess film on top of the PVA, and it comes right off in the wash. But that's the black and gray digital on white base coat. You can purchase this at KansasHydrographics.com or eBay, seller name Draft461. Thank you, and I'll see you guys next week.